Remakeup da achu ikambataya paubing. Manipur Shogarna MGNREGS we lupa crore Shamati Langda release Sami Hera. Manipur le Shana Wivang Sainik School Aka Shomi Fura Jahera. Lake Yangtor Achet the Tangkhul Express Pau Thangmeiring Chodang in Bami delay, Paubing Mesaina Nang Rumsa. Yaushang Panit Rajang la financial year la Paigichi Uda Manipur State Shogarna MGNREGS we lupa 406.49 crore release Samihera. China Central Shogarna Kami total 756 crore Paimig Haigsana. Ministry of Rural Development and Panchayati Rajna Achakum Maka Junle lupa 756 crore he MGNREGS Vivang sanction Sami Haigsana. Amount 2021 to 2022 we liabilities Paysak Vai Kala 2022 to 2023 we odd Qatar quick Vai sanction Sakmina. Ajwe Hile state na 406.49 crore release Sakamichi Ukru we 25.38 crore Kala Kamchong we 11.30 crore Zangdale Kadai Bing Chile 31.35 crore Bishnupur we 9.76 crore Jandelwi, 53.10 crore Jarajanpur, 67.20 crore Imphal Eastwi, 38.36 crore Imphal West, 12 crore Jeribam, 19.27 crore Kakchingwi, 22.83 crore Gangpokpi, 11.36 crore Nonewi, 6.55 crore Bherzarwi, 34.18 crore Senapatiwi, 11.20 crore Damenglong, 27.04 crore Tengnobarwi, Kala 25.56 crore Thaubar Wivangna. Central Shogarna 756 crore sanction Sami Hai Salala state we financial condition Mamatha Tugida state na crore Shaka Hangpanga the face manner aina Mishok Sana the Pau Sampanga. Sanction J Mapungpada utilized Masatu the Ministry of Rural Development and Panchayati Rajna MGNREGS materials component we fund Mamishokla Lake Sana. Ka ara 756 crore sanction Gasaji Pai Chowda state na Mishok High Wivang materials component we fund Jila utilization certificate Misangaka center na Mishok Manghaura the Jihandale. Sanction amount 756 crore ji Achui current financial year Mapairang Laka Shichin Palungi Jihauda state with financial constraint Leila utilization certificate Mipai Kwai 406.49 crore Taigsaji Mishok Haina Dahanga. Power Tishuda materials component with fund lupa 350 crore and 400 crore with alungli sanction Sami Lapai Ji Achu Gajang with alungli Migabaina. 2021 to 2022 we odd Kupsang Hailala wages aina materials component fund full Mamig Shok Wivang MIS liver work ongoing aina Jithe Sai Kala China 2022 to 23 we odd Qatar Haugapok Lila Hub Kano Hauda Chuivang MGNREGS job card holders Pinda Ngalang Simikshot Chungda Masangapangda Chia. Manipule Shana Wivang Sainik School Aka Shomi Fura Jahera Army le Shana Machine Chungmai Kwai Shana we Sainik School Aka Mutai Sanghara CM Pirena Hangaira Manipur Chief Minister N Pirena Pauhi Mega Ex Servicemen Rally Koirangeli Ajawan Hortang Kahanga Shana Wivang Sainik School Semiki Gichi Prime Minister Narendra Modi we Gujui Kami Azingni Kasana Kala Defense Minister Rajnath Singh Nala Kamiyami Hera the CM Nahanga School J Bishnupur District le Semikwai Apam Yang Haira Kalachi Zingum Aka Kaniwe Alungli Kupsang Kwai Sarajia Ex-servicemen rally chili CM na Kamatwili ex-servicemen Pingwibang Midakle welfare schemes we maram hangsanga Kala war widows gallantry medals awardees Pingli felicitate Samida line of duty Mirin Chikat Migahai Manipur we Kapinga Pingli Kayakashi Pongshoka Mega ex-servicemen rally chi Manipur with district sai Kurangurum the Spare Corps Red Shield Division na Makokamina. Chodang le police personnel 6 Manipur rifle kala worship Kakagatam Nobing Sangda Aya Shongfu Sakamata Otmurut Kuika Haira. Atumna Ashankani Kaida Akana police station to Punjab National Bank bomb violent Aina Tangda Samatava Ashangakana PNP violent to mini secretariat complex samatha shanga ot kasa chili khamakau kzip khui khwai Ukraine Autonomous District Council na tipper trucks ranmia Ukraine SP Ningshem Vashumna Kathan Azingni CEO ATC Ukraine CO6 Manipur Rifle Kala ZDO Ukraine Kakadom Zangda Yari ot kasa chili mi shakhni angphanga shekhna sharukhuya Atumne shongfuwi nala samatha Rom Kamai Gor Herta Papa Haigasa Le Kamakau Matadeda Samatha Vami Hera Nordist Music Liramli Miola Kahai Nagaland Vilashio Kidaris Imnaila Chamili HER Award Mihera With a Woman Festival Edition Katruga Ajawan Tarik Matitang Chaipuli Mayonda Chile Imnaila Chamili HER Award Mishokaira Itum the Taibai Imnaila Chamina Kidar Kong Tailakta Krewi Ana Yarina Taira Haira Cycle Ornpi Festival 2022 li awi electric guitar aina Indian National Anthem Kong Chiteda Chiwi aina Pamikar Haira Yari Chungmaidana awi Gatem Machut Kakui Sampangaira With a Women Festival Kazibli Award Senior Journalist Burkhatu na Singum Magada Aka Imnaila Chamili Ngoranmia Imnaila Chamil Nala HER Award Sangapangwi Ringapa Twitter li Pongshokta Barkha Dud Aina with a Woman Asia li Ningashi Pongshoka. With a Woman Asia he Shanao San li Kang Matot Kami, Gadom Kami Shanawi Khan li Gadom Kami for Makana. NTPP Gatana Nefirio na Nagaland Chief Minister Ngapam Kokiwi oath taking ceremony Aya Capital Culture Hall Kohimali Kwikaira. Rio Wivang Achuwihin na Nagaland CM term Kapangang Saya. Oath taking ceremony Chile Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP National President JP Nata, Kala dignitaries Ngatade Vangaruma. Oath taking J Governor La Kaneshan Administered Samia Kala Chile Ngasunda, DR Zeliang Kala Y Baton Ani Kanili, La Nagaland with Deputy Chief Minister with Oath Kumihera. Chi Kaido Aye Jacob Zimomi KG Kenyi P Paiwang Konyak. Metsubu Chamir, Damjen Ima Along, CL Chon, Saihao Dono Cruz, B. Bashang Mongpa Chang Atumbing Lila, Member of the Council of the Ministers Sada, Otpam Doing Shit Ming Rokhaira, Nagaland with Chief Minister Sangmai Twida Saghai Nefiriona, All Party Oppositionless Shorgar Tangida Klena. Itum the Taibai Twigahai Nagaland Assembly Election 2023 li NTPP ena LI PJP na 37 seat li Kayui Sampangaina 60 members assembly li NTPP na 40 seat contest kasali 25 seat ui kala PJP na 20 seat contest kasali 12 seat hi Kuigaina La Kravak Raj Pavan Shillong li Conrad Sangmana Meghalaya wi Tarada Gakutuma Chief Minister Sada oath taking ceremony Kuigaira Ceremony Chile Prime Minister Narendra Modi Kala Union Home Minister Amit Shah Ani Khani Lavazanga Sangma we oath Kukui Ainang Soda Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2.0 with Cabinet Ministers Pingla oath Kuihera Conrad Wivang Ajuwihina Meghalaya with Sam Ngapam Kukui Kakani Ang Saya Prime Minister Modi na Sangma Kala Ministerial Team with oath Kukui li Sharu Kukui Ainang Soda Meghalaya with Regasang Hakasang Kuirami Lakranuguji Shalam Mida congratulate Kasa tweet Kapishoka Tripura Shongla CM Ngapam doing shit kami Ranye Aju Kuikaki the Ladele Tripura Lila Reader CM Pungasa Manik Sahana Shorgar Gatarwi CM Ngasabamra PJB Cabinet Gatarwi swearing in ceremony Aju Kuikaki the Kalechili Prime Minister Narendra Modi Home Minister Amit Shah Gala PJP National President JP Nada Atumna Zangra Union Home Minister Amit Shah and PJP National President JP Natawi Va Ayang Zin Akarta Lali Va Shunghaira Anina State PJP Leadership Li Kharjan Sara Gajipau Sampanga Ajuwihina Sahawi Ministry Kakani Ang Saya La Luida Ajuwi Kamataya Bauping Manipur Shogarna MGNREGS We Lubakro Shamati Langda Release Samihera Manipur Le Shana Wivang Sainik School Aka Shomi Fura Jahira Aju Pau Eling Changhaira Pau Ngana Klindusum Sai Korali Ringpagala Kamaya Zimik Shong Saserana